Ni mwihoko wakwa no thiete na mbere na kwirorera Kiheo television ari 1 June ni muthenya wa Madaraka Day na ni riria bururi wa Kenya wakorirwo kigwatira uhoro wigie wiyathi wa thiini miaka 63 mihitiku. Naam, karibu tutwarithanie nawe ikinya gwa ikinya hari mohoro mare tukuharireirie ni Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Mugwanja ni guguthomera njetago Francis Wairura ndire wika no iri turateithania na memereke na njira ya shiko etago Vivian wa na turambiririe na ndumiriri mutongoria wa bururi kaunti-ini ya Wairura. Mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Samoei Ruto muthenya wa umuthi ni akorirwo agitongoria Kenya ari gukungwira mambura ma Madaraka Day maria ni ma 63 kaunti-ini ya Wairura. Atongoria gia githirikari ono ni makorirwo magikinya thiini wa mambura maya kuria president athire na mbere no korwo akiranira tabarira kiheri iria igutwika ati ni ciaguna muingi kaunti-ini ya Wairura. Oho no akorirwo akiuga ati kimanje kia ciringi bilioni 5 ni kigitwo heri kana nigikurutwo ni thirikari kiria gigutwika ati ni giateithiriria makiria ma andu 35,350 aria mumite thiini wa county 21 na aria maita maingi makoragwo makigomirwo ni mathina matiganite.
Like in 1963, the next frontier of Kenya's liberation will not be fought on conventional battlefields. It will be won in classrooms and lecture halls, laboratories and workshops, and in innovation hubs. Kenya is decisively moving in that direction. The competence-based education and training system is transforming what learning means in Kenya. It is equipping our children not merely to pass examinations, but to think critically, solve problems, innovate, and compete on the global stage. It is designed around a simple but powerful belief that every child has unique abilities and talents worth discovering, nurturing, and unleashing. What particularly encourages me is that 52% of learners in the first ever grade 10 cohort have chosen the STEM pathway. This tells us that a new generation is rising, one that will drive Kenya's industrial transformation, power our technological advancement, and build the innovation economy that will define our nation's next chapter. Through this affirmative action program, a record 1,800 local teachers from the 3 counties of Wajir, Mandera, and Garissa have been employed and will be deployed in the region. Additionally, 4,616 young people from this region are enrolled in teacher training colleges, the highest number in our history. While we continue to deploy teachers, build infrastructure, and expand digital connectivity across this region. Yet, some children in northern Kenya and other marginalized regions remain outside the formal education system because of certain alternative learning pathways that have not been adequately recognized or accommodated within our education framework. This challenge is particularly evident in the absence of a clear framework to recognize and integrate Tuksi, Madrasa, and the program for pastoral instructions into the national education system. Today, I direct the Cabinet Secretary for Education to engage all relevant stakeholders and take the necessary measures under the Basic Education Act to consult widely and recommend appropriate measures for the formal integration of the same. Vile nataka nitangaze nikiwa hapa Wajir. Hapa Wajir imesemekana ya kwamba ni mahali pa watu kukutana na ni mahali pa amani. Ndio jina hasa ya Wajir. Na sababu hiyo nataka niwatangazie ya kwamba serikali ya Kenya tutawapatia pesa ya kujenga university ya Wajir. And that program is going to begin this year.
Na tulio kaunti-ini iyo ya Wajir ni ati munini wa mutongoria wa bururi na niwe Professor Kithure Kindiki na keniarite na mbere na gukorwo atitirithitie na kuga ati thirikari ni gukorwo ikirikia tabarira ya wakia wa barabara ya Modogashe Samatara na niguo muigi ukorwo kiamukira motungata mangi matiganite kuhetukira barabara ino. Ihindi-ini riu nake gavana wa kaunti ya Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi no igite ni kinya ria bata muno na ria mwanya muno hari uhoro wigi Madaraka Day gukorwo magitafanĩrio harĩ rita rĩa mbere kuma rĩrĩa bũrũri wa gwatũire wiyathi kaunti-ini ya Wajir.
Allow me first to express our profound gratitude to His Excellency the President of Kenya, President William Samoei Ruto, for according Wajir County and the wider northeastern region the honor to host this year's Madaraka Day. The people of Wajir have waited for this day. They prayed for this moment, a day when they host you, their President. A day they get the attention of other Kenyans, stand shoulder to shoulder with the leadership of the Republic, witness the parade of our gallant security forces, and experience the unifying force of patriotism that comes with a national occasion of great magnitude such as this. This day, Your Excellency, marks a defining moment in Wajir's journey. Your Excellency, these celebrations say that Wajir is no longer remote and peripheral. It's fully integrated into the country's shared imagination and future. Your Excellency, the people of Wajir and the wider region will for years to come look back to this day with pride and awe. They will remember this great honor bestowed upon this county by you, Your Excellency. They will remember you as the President who did what was thought unthinkable, protecting the hosting of national holidays, and even more courageously deciding that Northern Kenya, and of all places Wajir, for that matter, will host Madaraka Day.
I want to congratulate you, Mr. President, for taking the inclusivity and equality agenda of our country a step further. Katika miaka 63 ambayo imepita, tumepiga hatua muhimu katika maendeleo ya nchi yetu. Tumekuwa tukizingatia katiba na tunaendelea kuizingatia. Lakini Mheshimiwa Rais, katika miaka ambayo umekuwa mamlakani, serikali ya awamu ya 5 ambaye wewe ni kiongozi wa hiyo serikali imefanya mambo muhimu ili kuweka mbele utaifa wetu na kuunganisha taifa letu la Kenya. Umetoa utaratibu ambao ulikuwa unabagua wananchi kutoka sehemu hii ya kaskazini mwa Kenya, na sasa utaratibu wa kutoa stakabadhi za kitaifa zikiwemo vitambulisho, utaratibu ambao unatumika sehemu zote za Kenya, ndio utaratibu unatumika hata hapa Wajir na kaskazini mwa Kenya na pwani, na hakuna tena sababu ya kuwa na utaratibu tofauti ambao unalinganisha wananchi kulingana na dini zao ama maeneo ambao wametoka. Rais Ruto, ni fire si fire?
Na tugithi na mbere ni ati mboto cia bururi hamwe na maabitha a thirikari aria mehokeirwo urangiri ono ni makorirwo magithina mbere no korwo makigemia o ndome na gukorwo magithuitha mbere ya mutongoria wa bururi kaunti-ini ya Wajir kuria makiria mado 10,000 makorirwo makiyumiria. Bururi wa Kenya urakungwira mambura ma 63.
Happy Madaraka 2026.
Excellency, it's a great honor and privilege to welcome you to Wajir County, the camel capital of Kenya, for the 63rd National Madaraka Day celebrations.
This is Wajir County, and this is Kenya. This is what we meant when we said we would leave no one behind. The good people of Wajir County, distinguished leaders, ladies and gentlemen, today we make history. For the first time in 63 years of self-rule and national celebration, Madaraka Day is being hosted here in Wajir, in the heart of northern Kenya. This is not a mere ceremonial gesture. It is a national declaration. It is a moment of affirmation that Madaraka, our freedom, our dignity, our self-determination was never meant for some Kenyans and not for others. It was never meant for some regions and withheld from others. Madaraka belonged, still belongs, and will forever belong equally to every single Kenyan.
Happy Madaraka 2026.
Na thutha kumukira riboti iyo tombe tuikirie ni turacokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investiire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma engineering system umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials, razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macemanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani ni harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma engineering system. Twaririe
wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũrutanaga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A nĩ ũtereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B ũtereva wa ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na smart driving license. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici citũ Roysambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgũkinyĩra o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu yũkĩte na nditi nene mũno makĩria. Rĩu tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ũgĩterevwo na your number one microphone commander Kamau wa Waithera KW. Kawa marĩ hamwe na women rep Susan wa Ngoro
atũthiĩte wega aste
ĩrĩ gũkinyagira kwambĩrĩria thaa 5 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu ĩrĩ na mwarahũko wa magegania mathaa merĩ ma rwĩmbo tu mwago ũtangĩtigĩka.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Naam, karibu ni twacokereria rĩngĩ. Mbũtũ ndũmwe na maabitha a ikĩro itiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ onao nĩ makorirwo makĩyumĩria kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Wajir na mathi na mbere na gũkorwo makĩgemia Madaraka Day ma 63. Mũtongoria wa bũrũri onake nĩ athire na mbere na gũkorwo akĩmakũrana.
Mazito ya kivita wanafuata hivi sasa ni Big Company Kenya Army almaarufu Rapid Deployment Unit, chini yake Inspector Shaban Yusuf katika magwanda yao mepesi ya kikazi. Hivi sasa ni askari wa kulinda fuo zetu za bahari pamoja na maziwa yetu ya ndani almaarufu Kenya Coast Guard Service, chini yake Sub Lieutenant Susan Mtakaye.
Mheshimiwa Rais, wa kutufungia gwaride hili la vikundi ni askari wa gatuzi hili la Wajir, chini yake Chief Inspector Abdullahi Farah akishirikiana naye Inspector Said Mohamed wakiwa kwa mazia rasmi ya sherehe.
Hakika inashiriki hafla ya kitaifa kwa mara ya kwanza kabisa, na shukrani za dhati kwako Mheshimiwa Rais kwa ndege hizi ambazo zitatuwezesha kuwafuzu marubani wengi wa jeshi letu la ulinzi, marubani wa asasi mbalimbali za usalama, sekta zingine za serikali kuu. Kutoka upande wa kushoto, Mheshimiwa Rais, 7 ship arrowhead formation. Tuwape makofi marubani wa ndege zetu za kivita wanapoyapamba makala ya Madaraka. Happy Madaraka 2026. Tuwape makofi marubani wetu kwa ujumla kwa kazi nzuri.
Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere tũrĩ o kaunti-inĩ ya Wajir nĩ atĩ ikundi cia aini a kĩũndũire ũndũ ũmwe na arutwo ona matinakorwo magĩtigwo na thutha nĩ mathire na mbere na gũkorwo makĩonania iheo ciao o ũndũ ũmwe na gũkorwo magĩkũngũĩra Madaraka Day kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Wajir. Na ripoti iyo ni yakuregetekirira gaturumo ka mohoro maria tuma namo hari mohoro ma Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Mugwanja nekienda wega thaa imwe ya hwaini ni tugukorwo tukuhaririirie mohoro ma gikihiri kundu na kundu uria gwatinda hari mambura ma Madaraka Day juma wika no irituma na memereke na njira ya cikwetagwo Vivian Wageshi ngakwendithiria mweri wina umithio na mweri wihuiro ni irathimanie njitagwo Francis Wairura.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.